Okay, today I'm going to give you a cup holder fan for those cars that AC is just doesn't hit you in the back, or you need a little bit of extra air. So we have this here. The instructions are out here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. With its cord, USB. We do have instructions in here too. We have a little plastic thing, this little piece here, cup holder part, and it also comes with a screwdriver with some screws. These right here, the screws are going to be for here. You're going to put it right about there. Okay, so you see this little square here, and you see 3 little holes. We're only going to need 1 because that's what this has on the bottom. Only 1. If you want to put it on the edge screw, it will be like this. It wouldn't be directly at your cup holder. Let's say you want it in the middle. You can move to the middle. So this little thing goes straight in the middle there into your cup holder like that. This little ball helps it so it can move around in your car. This one here helps out too. If you need it taller, you want to make it more tall, or you want it short. These here. So let's go ahead and go install it in the car. Okay, so like I said, I have a small cup holder. It goes there, nice and neat, and I want it to hit me directly. Connected to my USB. There we go. Ooh, you have different settings. One, that was the second setting now. Third setting. Ooh, I could feel that. And let's say I'm going, I live in Bakersfield and I have to go up the Grapevine. You don't need to be putting your AC to strain. We're going to Vegas. We don't want to be putting our AC the entire time, but we want our windows down, a little bit more air in it. This is so helpful. And look at this. So I could put my soda here. Let's say my soda's a little bit taller. I do this, I'm driving. I could pause it at one hand. I'm still driving. I turn it. Okay, you have to park. You have to do this nice. You need to be parked so you can manually fix it and get it at your own place. You do not want to be driving because this needs your attention. You fix it, you put it. My cup is here. I'm able to pull it, drink it on the way.